Sue here again from Sue's Dog Broth My for Christmas. I just said Christmas. Come. Hello, Sue here again from Sue's Dog Broth My Kitchen, and wishing you a Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve today, 2020. Woohoo! So anyway, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone, and today I'm going to be making some brandy butter. So I'm going to make some brandy butter for our Christmas pudding that I made the other day, and I will make a link to the video for the Christmas pudding in case you didn't see it. So that's it really. So I just wanted to show you quickly, this is such a quick recipe. Oh, and Merry Christmas. I am drinking Bailey's today in this lovely cup glass. So Merry Christmas. There we are. So let's crack on, shall we, with our recipe. It's very simple. It's only got 3 ingredients, which is some icing sugar, butter and brandy, obviously, otherwise it won't taste of anything. If you don't like brandy, you could put in orange or what was the other thing it recommended? Orange or something, I don't know, hold on a minute, I'll have a look. It did recommend something. Oh, rum. So you could either put rum in or orange. So you can make an orange butter sauce if you don't like brandy. But we're making a traditional brandy butter today. So what you need to do is get the ingredients together. So I will tell you what the weights and measures are. So we need 100 grams of unsalted butter. So there we are, there's 100 grams of butter in there. And then you need 175 grams of icing sugar sieved. So I've sieved my icing sugar in there. And then you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of brandy, which I have here. I have this 3 barrels left over, so I'm going to use that today, and a bowl to put the butter in, okay, and a whisk. You need a whisk for this, because first of all you've got to whisk up your butter. I'll cut this bit, don't want to see me bending over, so I will just whisk together the butter first. You've got to make the butter light and fluffy, so that's really important to do that first. So I'm going to do that first. Okay, so I'm wearing some really Christmassy earrings today. There you go, don't know if you can see those little socks. And I'm wearing a Christmas pin today, and I have a Christmas dress on, and a Christmas apron, and a Christmas hat. Okay? Just thought I'd make myself look really Christmassy today. So there we are. So anyway, I'll take my glasses off. So we're going to put the butter in this bowl because we need to whisk it up a bit so it's nice and soft. So we're going to do that first. Right, so we've whisked up our butter now, there we go, and the next stage is to put in the sugar. I'm just going to check my ingredients here. So you need, sorry, I should have finished with the ingredients. So it was 150 grams, 100 grams of butter and 175 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of brandy, okay? Just so you know, in case I missed that bit. Right, so it says here, then gradually add the sugar and beat again until it's really white. So we're going to gradually, we're going to put the sugar in. It doesn't say gradually here. I think it's gradually add the brandy actually. So we're just going to put this in here. So how are your Christmas preparations coming on? Are you all ready? Or are you still rushing around? So we're going to just beat this together. Okay, so we beat together the icing sugar and the butter, And now we're going to gradually add the brandy. Okay, so 3 tablespoons it says. So that's 1. I'll just... Oh, it smells really nice. Brandy. Oh, it smells really strong. Ooh. And then we're going to add another one. That's 2. And we're going to add another one. Just add 1 more for luck. Not much left. Okay, so now we'll see what it tastes like. Very alcoholic, I should think. Might just add the rest. Right, so that's done. So what you need to do now is, it says either spoon or pipe into an attractive shape in a serving dish. I'm just going to put it in a serving dish and decorate with small pieces of cherries and angelica or nuts. And make this a day or so before served, so it becomes very hard. It is better not to freeze it, for freezing destroys some of the brandy flavour. And this is a perfect accompaniment for Christmas pudding. So what I'm going to do is just move it to a different... So I'm just going to spoon it into this container here that I've just found with this spoon that I used already. And then you're going to let it go, then you're going to let it set. And just leave it in the fridge so it can set. And that's it really, that's how you make it. And we'll see what it looks like when it's set, shall we? So, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and a like. And tell your friends and family about my channel, and I just hope I can give you some kind of joy in this weird world we're now living in, that we find ourselves in. All very odd, don't you think? Anyway, try and have a good Christmas. Not worry about it. And then we'll all meet up with our friends and family in the new year, because we won't be able to do it. So, anyway, that's it. I've made the brandy butter. It's now in this dish, and I'm going to put it in the fridge, and it says to... Then you can just sprinkle some like chopped cherries on it, or some nuts or something like that, or angelica. But I'll probably just leave it like that. There's only me and my partner going to be eating it anyway, so it's not like I'm trying to impress anyone. So it won't really matter, will it? So thank you for watching, and look out for my next video, which will be something, I'm sure. So that's it for now. So there's the brandy butter made, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. So happy Christmas, have a really, really good Christmas, and enjoy yourselves. Eat, drink and be merry. Okay, so I'll see you again soon. Bye for now, bye.
This is where the magic happens.
Great, isn't it?